In front of me is HMD Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on System. Then you need to click on Gestures, select one-handed mode and use this switcher to switch it off or on. Then pull down the top half of your screen by swiping down from the button. And as you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. If you want to, you can also use one-handed mode with 3 buttons navigation by clicking on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut, hitting OK and tapping on the shortcut to enter one-handed mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!